All right, Randy here with Your Essential Italy. It's, in my previous video, we talked about how we're moving to Italy and some of the steps you got to go through. So to ship things over, you have to get this double wall cardboard box. We had some that we got for free that were from like office chairs and stuff, but I ended up buying a 10-pack of these. And then what I'm doing is I'm packing the stuff in separate boxes and kind of playing Tetris, so I can get it all fit in. The weight that they go to is 66 pounds. You can go over that, but it's a significant charge. So we're trying to keep them all under 66 pounds. What I've done though is I put the weight on each box, and then I kind of what the item is, what may be in it. It's written on the box somewhere. And then what will happen with this box here is that it will be filled with towels or old sheets or whatever that we can end up using too. We can, washcloths, all that kind of stuff. So I'll fill it in with that, because there's no guarantee that the box will stay upright, that it'll be, if you mark it fragile or whatever, there's no guarantee that it's not going to go through literal hell to get to where it's got to go. So these boxes are all taped on every seam, even the ones that are folded. They'll be wrapped around, strapped with tape, and then on top of that, they'll be plastic wrapped. Sorry, it's a mess. They'll have plastic wrap all the way around them as well, to keep them safe. So I just wanted to give you guys a look into what we're doing. It's exhausting. These boxes alone, you can see I have to mark on there so I can remember. The box weighs 5.4 pounds empty. So they're really heavy duty. Like and subscribe. Ciao.